Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. Now once more your ma'am is here with chapter 13 sound. Okay, so we were in the chapter 13 sound. I hope you all have understood what I have taught in our previous class. But let's have a recapturation first. Okay, so in our previous class we have dealt with the topic amplitude, oscillation, time period and frequency. So let us revise that topic. Oscillation. What is oscillation? An object which shows the motion in 2 and 4 motion. An object which move and show the motion in 2 and 4. 2 and 4 means from original position it will move front, and from front it will move again original position and then go to back. So this type of motion is known as 2 and 4 motion. Okay, so that is known as oscillation. Next one is frequency. What is frequency? So number of oscillation done by an object. Number of oscillation completed by an object in per second, means in 1 second, is called frequency of the oscillation. That is known as frequency of the oscillation. Means that is known as frequency of the oscillation done by that body. So you can write, it can be expressed in the unit hertz and its symbol is Hz. What is its symbol? Hz. Hz, that is known as hertz. And in mathematical, its formula, how can you write the frequency formula in mathematical way? That is, frequency is equal to number of oscillation completed by an object upon time taken by an object. Okay, so what is once more? Frequency is equal to number of oscillation completed by an object upon time taken. So that is known as frequency. Understood? What is frequency? Number of oscillation completed by an object in 1 second. Means whatever the time taken. Okay? Through that number of oscillation completed is known as frequency. In mathematical way you can write number of oscillation upon time taken. And you can solve it. Okay? You can write number of oscillation, how much it is given, and divided by the time which is given. Okay? Now next question is amplitude. Next topic is amplitude. What is the amplitude? The distance covered by an object. Okay, greater the distance covered by a sound wave. Okay, or wave, or the oscillation. During that oscillation, the sound is produced. That is known as amplitude. Greatest distance that a wave or a sound or radio wave move up and down. Greatest distance or a sound or a wave, sound wave move up and down is known as amplitude. And larger the amplitude of vibration, louder sound will be produced. If the amplitude is large, louder sound is produced, and if the amplitude is less, means sound produced is less. Okay, so it depends upon the amplitude. Larger the amplitude, sound produced will be larger. If the amplitude is less, the sound produced by an object will be less. Next one is time period. So it depends upon the frequency, and this is the reciprocal of time period. To find out the frequency, you will just have just do the reciprocal of the formula frequency. Means to take out the time period, the formula will be 1 upon frequency. Means 1 means in 1 second how many number of frequency, number of oscillation done, that will be divided 1 upon number of frequency. Pitch. Now what is pitch? Pitch is the quality of sound. What is pitch? Pitch is the quality. Pitch tells us about the quality of a sound, whether the sound is more or less. Okay, whether the quality of sound is more or less. Okay, that is known as pitch. And if the frequency is more, if the frequency is higher, frequency of a vibration is more, the higher will be the pitch. hear the sound up to nearly about 20 to 20,000 hertz. Okay, so they can hear only nearly about 20,000 hertz. Okay, and in the unit, the loudness of the sound is also can be expressed in decibel. Okay, it is known as decibel, and its unit, the sound unit is decibel, and it can be expressed in dB. Its short form is dB, and if more there are different sound produced by a different object, and more than that, if a sound comes more than 80 dB, means that is known as it can't be able to hear. That is known as unpleasant sound. Okay, it creates disturbance, it creates sound. So a normal human body can hear the sound in decibel, that is 80 dB, and in hertz, if you want, if the sound is taken in hertz, so a normal human body ears can hear 20,000 hertz. The sound produced by an object, they can hear up to nearly about 20,000 hertz, that is Hz. So this all things today we have done in today's class. Remaining portion of this chapter we can see in next class. That's all for today. Bye bye.